Rebecca Vargas reporting live with Solomon. And yes, put your hat on. Let me see. Be a witch. Be a witch. Let go. Here, let go like this. All right, now. You look like Little Miss Riding Hood, or you could be on Little House on the Prairie. What is all that? Is it bloody up there? What does that say?
It's a bloody.
It says Happy Halloween. Oh my God, that's scary too. I am so scared right now. Nah, not really. But that's cool, isn't it? Happy Halloween. Looks like somebody's head's laying over there. Give me that head over there. See that head? Oh my God, that's pretty scary. I'd have that hanging up. Girl.
You want to see my
How's it going, Micaiah?
You want to see my truck? It was mine.
Is it good?
See my truck.
Oh, that is your truck. I love it. Do you love it? Tell me about it.
I love a truck.
I love you. Are you happy Halloween's coming? Do you know that means you're going to get a bunch of candy? Yeah, you get a bunch of candy for Halloween.
Let's go.
That's what happens.
Let's go.
You go to people's house and you trick or treat them.
The cheese truck.
Do you want to get some candy?
Yeah, I get candy.
You do? You have to get dressed in a costume. Like, pick up that witch's hat. You gotta put that witch's hat on. You gotta go knock on people's door and say trick or treat. And then they give you candy. And if they don't give you... Yeah, you can do it. Are you excited about that? You gotta go potty right now? Go potty right now. This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live. I've got to take Salamander to potty.